In previous classes, we discussed question number 1 to question number 60 in determinants JEE. In this class, we will discuss from question number 61 to question number 75 in determinants JEE. You observe this question, if the value of this determinant is k times of a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, then what is the value of k? Here, 4 options are given. We need to identify which option is right option. You observe this given determinant. In first row, we can take a common. See here, I take an a common. If you take a common from the first row, 1, a square, a cube are remaining. Okay. Now, you take b common from the second row. If you take b common from the second row, we will get 1, b square, b cube. Similarly, you take c common from the third row, you will get 1 c square c cube. They given this value, the value of this determinant is k times of a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Okay, abc into, you observe this determinant. This determinant we calculated in POC. However, in synopsis they given this as a direct formula. In synopsis tips and tricks part you check. They given that the value of this determinant is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into ab plus bc plus ca. You need to memorize this. We already done this same problem in PUC. You can check this in exercise number 4.2 this problem. Okay. So here this is the key step. If you do not know this problem is going to be very lengthy. If you know this, you can do this very easily. So here the value of this determinant is this expression. I written that. Okay. Equal to k times of this I written as it is. Okay. In the question what they are asking? They are asking what is k. You see here a minus b, b minus c, b minus c, c minus a will get cancelled. What is k? K is abc into AB plus BC plus CA. So here which option is the right option? First option is the right option. Now you see this 63rd question. ABC are different. They are saying all ABC3 are different. And they given the value of this determinant is 0. Then which option is correct? You see here all the elements of third column are expressed as sum of two terms. Na? This can be written as a cube plus of minus 1 like that. So what I can do here, this determinant I can write like this. Look here, ABC here, ABC, a square, b square, c square. I written a cube, b cube, c cube. Okay, minus, see here, ABC, a square, b square, c square, 1, 1, 1 I written. I hope you are understanding. Now what I'll do, from the first row I'll take a common. From the second row I'll take b common. From the third row I'll take c common. Then you will get like this. In this, what I'll do, I'll interchange these two columns and again I'll interchange two columns. Again I'll interchange two columns to get this determinant, right? So here what I am doing, I am interchanging this column and this column. Later again this column and this column I'll interchange to get this determinant. Okay. Now you see this determinant both are same. So what I can do, I can take this determinant common. See here I taken this determinant common. From this part you will get ABC. From this part you will get 1. ABC minus 1 equal to 0. I hope you are understanding. Now product of two things is 0. That means either this. Okay, one more thing. Here ABC minus 1 into, you observe this determinant. This also we did in PUC. This is the direct problem. Or else in synopsis they given this as a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Look here, a minus b into b minus c into c minus a equal to 0. So product of all these things is 0 means each individual one is 0. Either this is 0 or this is 0 or this is 0 or this is 0. If this is 0, ABC is 1. If this is 0, A equal to B. If this is 0, B equal to C. If this is 0, C equal to A. Now you identify which option is correct. ABC equal to 1 is there in the options? Yes, ABC equal to 1 is there. Is there anywhere A equal to B equal to C like that they given? No, nowhere they are not given. So, second option is the right option. I hope you understand this. Now you see this, they given that the value of this determinant is A0. Then A plus B plus C equal to what? That is what they are asking. In this determinant, all the elements of first row are expressed as sum of two terms. Then this determinant can be expressed as sum of two determinants like this. That we learn in PUC. See, first I written 1, 1, 1. Okay, like 1, 1, 1. Next I written a square, b square, c square. Okay. Okay, look here, this part I written as it is, no simplification, because I know this answer directly from the synopsis. Only I am simplifying this part. What I'll do, I'll take a common from the first column, b common from the second column, c common from the third column. Then you will get the expression like this. Okay, now what I'll do, here I'll interchange these two rows. If you know that in a determinant, if you interchange any two rows, then the determinant changes its sign. If you interchange these two rows, then the determinant changes its sign. Here plus is there, no, here minus we will get. I hope you are understanding. This part is as it is, no simplification. In this step, I taken a common, b common, c common from first column, second column, third column. Here I just interchanged second row, third row. Then the determinant changes its sign. Okay, right. Now further what I'll do, see in the tips and tricks part, we have this directly. What is this? Here a square, b square, c square is means the answer is different. Here abc is there means answer is different. You check the synopsis once. For this, in the synopsis they given a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c. In PUC we did this directly. If you want, you can check your classwork. Okay, abc into, see this one here a b c, here a square b square c square. You observe here a cube b cube c cube, both are not same, they are different. So when I simplify this, I will get a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. As they given equal to 0, I written here. Now you see, a minus b will get cancelled, b minus c will get cancelled, c minus a will get cancelled. What you will get? You will get a plus b plus c equal to abc. If you take this whole term to the right hand side, then this happens. Right? So a plus b plus c equal to abc. You observe the options. What they are asking? They are asking a plus b plus c equal to abc. So second option is the right option. You please observe question number 69. They given matrix A and they are saying that determinant of a square is 25. Then modulus of alpha equal to. Okay. You observe the matrix. All the elements below the diagonal are 0. That means it is a triangular matrix. What is the determinant of a triangular matrix? Determinant of a triangular matrix is product of all its diagonal elements. So det A is what? Det A is 5 into alpha into 5. That is nothing but 25 alpha. So here I calculated det A. And you see they given that determinant of a square equal to 25. This a square can be written as a into a. A square can be written as a into a. We know this formula, determinant of ab equal to det A into det B. So here determinant of a square can be written as determinant of a into determinant of a. As we got determinant of a is 25 alpha, that is what I written, 25 alpha into 25 alpha. See here 125 will get cancelled. Alpha square equal to 1 by 25. From this alpha equal to plus or minus 1 by 5. But what they are asking, modulus of alpha. Modulus of alpha means positive number only we will get. If I keep modulus to this on both sides, what you will get? You will get 1 by 5 only. So here what is modulus of alpha? Modulus of alpha is 1 by 5. They given a not equal to 6 and this abc value satisfies this equation. Then what is abc? See, abc equal to which option is correct? Here what I'll do, I'll expand this determinant. You know how to expand the determinant. When I expand this determinant, I got this one, a minus 6 into b square minus ac. As you can expand this, I am not simplifying all that procedure. When you expand this determinant, you are going to get this one equal to 0. Okay. Here product of two things is 0 means either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. If a minus 6 equal to 0, that means a equal to 6. B square minus ac equal to 0, then b square equal to ac. Here a is not equal to 6, they given in the question itself. So you cannot choose this option. So b square minus ac equal to 0. From this b square equal to ac. If you observe, they are asking what is ABC. To get ABC, here I will multiply with B on both sides. If you multiply with B on both sides, this side you will get ABC. Multiply with B on both sides, B square into B is B cube. Here this side is ABC, right? So what is ABC? ABC is B cube. So third option is the right option. Now you see question number 73. They given A equal to like this, where B is greater than 0. then minimum value of det A divided by B is minimum value of det A divided by B. Here 4 options are there. We need to choose the right option. Here this is JEE 2019 question. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll expand this determinant det A. If I calculate det A, I got B square plus 3. You will get it very easily. It's not a complicated thing. You just expand this by using first row or first column, whatever it is. Det A is B square plus 3. Now what they are asking, minimum value of det A divided by B. So I taken det A divided by B. Det A, what I got B square plus 3. That is what I written. B square plus 3 divided by B. So here this can be written as B square by B plus 3 divided by B. Okay. Now you see here two terms are there, B and 3 by B. Here they given B is positive, greater than 0. So you know this step, arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. From progressions we learn this. So arithmetic mean of two numbers is what? A plus B by 2. Arithmetic mean of these two numbers is what? These two numbers divided by 2, greater than or equal to. Geometric mean of these two numbers is what? That is square root of B into 3 by B. Okay. So here I know I got this relation because I know arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So this is the question given in JEE 2019. You try to understand this question linked to the progressions, right? So here B plus 3 by B is greater than or equal to 2 times of this BB will get cancelled, 2 times of root 3. B plus 3 by B is greater than or equal to 2 times of root 3. Okay. So here it tells you that this B plus 3 by B minimum value is 2 root 3. Greater than or equal to 2 root 3 means its minimum value is 2 root 3. Here this value is this one. I try to understand what is this. This is nothing but det A by B. What I got here, I got det A divided by B is greater than or equal to 2 root 3. It tells you that its minimum value is 2 root 3. So what is the right option? Fourth option, right? Now we'll see next question. Last question in this class. A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of A 3A equal to K times of det A. Then K equal to what? Okay. Determinant of 3A. Determinant of Ka formula. Determinant of Ka is K power n into det A. Okay. So determinant of 3A is 3 power. What is the order of the matrix? 3 by 3 na? So 3 cube into det A equal to K times of det A. Now you see here, det A will get cancelled. You will get K is 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 27. So what is the value of K? 27. I hope you understand this class. See, practice makes man perfect. Whatever the homework problems I given from 61 to 75, please try those problems your own. In case if you didn't get, you please take help of our material and definitely you will get the answer. See, we are doing the problems very slowly. Every day 15 problems means it is not a big task at all. Easily you can complete. But if you are postponing the things, this class you postpone to next day, next class postpone to next day, then you need to practice 45 questions. So much of burden will be there. So practice 15 problems every day, then you don't feel any burden and you can learn these determinants very easily.